How to stop videos from autoplaying on X Twitter mobile app. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off video autoplay on the X, formerly Twitter mobile app. Start by opening the X app on your phone and tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Next, select Settings and Privacy. On some Android devices, you may first need to tap Settings and Support before selecting Settings and Privacy. Once you're in the Settings menu, tap on Accessibility, Display, and Languages. Then select Data Usage. Now look for the Video Autoplay option and tap on it. You'll be presented with several options for when videos should play automatically. To completely disable autoplay, select Never. This will prevent videos from automatically playing while you're browsing the X app, helping you save mobile data and improve your browsing experience. That's it! You've successfully learned how to stop videos from autoplaying on X Twitter using the mobile app. If you find this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.